Do you still remove your photo's background like this? If yes, then you need to stop it, because there's a faster and easier way to do it, and that's what I'm gonna show you in this video. Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your photo's background in a more easier and more efficient way, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to remove your photo's background, first, open your Google Chrome. Once you've opened your Google Chrome, now go and search for this website. After you search, you will be directed to this website. This is the website that will remove our photo's background instantly. So to do that, go and tap Upload Image. After that, you can now select the photo that you want the background to be removed. And after you select the photo, now tap this to import the photo. And after that, the background of your photo will be instantly removed by AI, and it's also high quality too. As you can see, the removal of the background is so clean, there's no trace of the background on it. It'll be hard to remove a background photo this clean if you do it manually, so I recommend you to just use this website to save your time and energy. And now for the last step, you can now save the photo by tapping the download button. And after you finish downloading, the photo will be saved to your gallery, and you can now use it for editing. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today guys. I hope it helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also you can comment down below if you have some questions or if you have a problem that you want me to make tutorial about. So that's all guys, see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, goodbye.